Okay, the last thing we're going to do is solder the battery pack on. So on the back here, you see that there's a positive and negative. So obviously you should know that the red is the positive and the black is the negative. So to do this, the easiest thing to do first is to tin up your wires. By tinning up, I mean you should add some solder to your wires. Make sure your soldering iron's got some solder on it. Helps with the transfer of heat. And then apply a little bit of solder into your wire. The same thing on the black wire. So you might have to use something to help you. It's fine. Okay, once you've tinned up the wires, you want to hold them in place. So red goes to there. Alright, in this case I am going to use the helping hand. I suggest you put the wires this way, not this way. The reason being, if we put it this way, it's going to be in the way of the screw. I know that from experience because that's what I did in the previous take for this video. So, we're going to lift this up here. And we're going to use the helping hand to hold. Alright, I'm going to put that there. It's a bit finicky, I do know. Actually, I'm just going to hold it in place. It's already got the solder on it. Okay. This one, same deal. Hold it in place. Alright, and there we go. So if I start pulling on these wires, pretty strong. I'm not yanking too hard because I don't want it to break, but it is strong enough to support its weight.